Good morning. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to this morning meditation, a quiet, gentle way to start your day feeling calm, feeling clear, feeling grounded before the world asks anything of you. You don't have to be good at meditation for this to work. You don't have to empty your mind. All you have to do is be here, and you already are. Let's begin. Find a position that feels good for your body right now. You can sit up in bed with your back against the headboard. You can sit on the edge of the bed with your feet on the floor. You can sit in a chair. You can sit on the floor with a cushion. Whatever you can sustain without shifting too much, that's the right position. Let your hands rest softly in your lap or on your thighs. Palms up if that feels open. Palms down if that feels more grounded. There's no right way. If it feels okay, allow your eyes to close. If you'd rather keep them soft and half open, gazing down at nothing in particular, that is completely fine too. Take a slow breath in through your nose. And let it out through your mouth with a soft, audible sigh, like you've just set something down. Again, breathe in through your nose and sigh it out. One more time, breathe in and release. Good, you're here. I want you to notice something. You just did 3 breaths and you're already a little more settled than you were a minute ago. You didn't have to do anything dramatic. You just showed up and breathed. That's all meditation ever is. Now let's say good morning to your body. Not in an exercisey way, just gently. The way you would greet someone you love who's just woken up. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Let your forehead soften. So many of us wake up with a tiny furrow already in place, as if we were worrying in our sleep. Just let it go. Let your eyes rest. The muscles around your eyes work so hard all day. Let them be soft. Unclench your jaw just a little. Let your teeth part. Let your tongue rest at the bottom of your mouth. Roll your shoulders back and down, away from your ears. You don't need to carry anything yet. The day hasn't even started. Feel your chest rise and fall just with the breath. You don't have to breathe deeper. You don't have to change anything. Just notice that your body is already breathing you. It has been all night. Let your belly be soft. Most of us hold our bellies in without realizing it. Just for now, let it rest. Let it rise with the inhale and fall with the exhale. And finally, feel your feet or your sit bones or wherever your body is making contact with the surface beneath you. You are held. You are supported. The earth is doing the work of holding you up right now without any effort from you. Now I'd like you to do something very simple. Ask yourself quietly inside, how do I want to feel today? Not what you want to achieve, not what's on your list, just how do you want to feel? Maybe it's calm, maybe it's steady, maybe it's open, maybe it's just okay. Just okay is enough. Whatever word arrived, let it be there with you. You don't have to push for it. You don't have to prove it. You're just planting a small flag in the ground at the start of your day so you know which direction you're walking. And here's the thing I want you to know. The day that's ahead of you doesn't get to decide how you feel. You do. Not in a forced, white knuckle, I will be positive kind of way. Just in the quiet way of coming back again and again to the word you chose this morning. Calm, steady, open, okay. Let's finish with 3 gentle breaths. The first breath, breathe in calm. And breathe out anything you don't need to carry into today. The second breath, breathe in clarity. And breathe out any fog or heaviness still left over from sleep. And the third breath, breathe in whatever word you chose a moment ago. Calm, steady, open, okay. And breathe out, slowly letting that word settle into your chest like a small, warm light. Start to notice the sounds around you. The air, the room, the soft hum of the world waking up with you. Wriggle your fingers just a little. Wriggle your toes. Take one slow, full breath in and let it out. And whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Good morning, truly. You've just given yourself something most people don't give themselves. 10 quiet minutes before the day started pulling at you. That matters. It's going to stay with you underneath everything else today, like a kind of steady baseline. you can come back to whenever you need it. If you found this helpful, I've created a free happiness quiz at iintendtobehappy.com that'll show you which one of the 9 pillars of happiness you most need to work on right now. It takes about 3 minutes and the results are genuinely useful. If you'd like another meditation or some short teaching on how to build a steadier, happier life, I'm here. Subscribe, and I'll see you back here soon. Have a beautiful day.